Hey guys, David the Infoman here, and welcome to my ViralTek review. Now, inside this review, I'm going to go ahead and tell you everything that you need to know about ViralTek, but most importantly, I'm going to be showing you the custom bonuses that I have created for you if you decide that you are interested in purchasing ViralTek from the link down below this video inside the description. So what is ViralTek? So basically, in a nutshell, ViralTek is a software, a web-based software that allows you to syndicate multiple different social media accounts to whatever link that you want it to go to. So whether that be like a website or a YouTube video, all these different platforms are going to be syndicating that link and then boosting the authority of that link. So if it's a YouTube video, you're going to be able to get that YouTube video onto the first page of Google. Same for a website. So it may take time. However, this speeds up the process because you're sending a bunch of authority from all these different websites, all these different social platforms to that specific website or that YouTube video to rank it in Google. So now this is a very powerful method, especially if you compare this and use this with affiliate marketing. Because if you're going to be ranking different web pages or YouTube videos for specific search results for, say, affiliate marketing products, you could make a lot of money potentially with this because you're going to be on the first page of Google and getting a bunch of eyeballs, views, and clicks on your affiliate link. So that is essentially what ViralTek is. Let's go ahead now and dive into it and talk about it a little bit further. So let's go ahead and take a look at the sales page of ViralTek. So the sales page of ViralTek says here in the headline, software unleashes free viral buyer traffic to your offers in just a few clicks, without any tech skills, experience, or waiting for results. So this is true. I would agree with this headline. It is true. It definitely does send buyers to your links because you're going to be ranking those websites and YouTube videos in the first page of Google potentially. So 100% free, automated. Yes, it's all automated because it's a web-based software, all that good stuff. So on your own time, go ahead and come over here and take a look at the sales page, scroll down, read all of the testimonials and all of the results here. So here are over 14,000 page views from a single offer. So this is a website that they ranked using this software, and they got it to the first page of Google and got tons of people clicking on that page, looking at that affiliate product, whatever it may be. So as you can see here, here's another one, Block's review. This is by Mark Gray, the wolf of online marketing. And he shows you here a bunch of his results using this software. So if you're going to use this for affiliate marketing, what I would do is I would use it for launch jacking. And I would syndicate my launch jacking YouTube videos like the one you're watching right here. This is what I'm doing. It's called launch jacking. Or if you have a website, I would do launch jacking and send a bunch of that syndication to my website to rank it in Google. So here's a bunch more payment proof here of everything that they've been able to do with this software and how much money they've been able to make with it. So it's a great sales page. Come over here, take a look at it. Now, in order to get to this sales page, all you're gonna have to do is click on the link down below this video, which will take you to my bonus page, which looks like this. And then if you click on any of these green buttons, it'll take you back to the sales page, which we just went over. So now let's talk about my bonuses. If you scroll down, you can see the 5 bonuses that I have prepared for you. Now, I want to let you know that these bonuses are custom bonuses. They are video tutorials that I've created myself, and it's not information that you're going to be finding on YouTube. So this is some pretty advanced information here, stuff that you're not going to be finding elsewhere. So other affiliates aren't going to be offering this because these are custom bonuses created by myself. So bonus number 1, I'm going to teach you how to rank YouTube videos. So this is going to teach you how to get traffic from YouTube itself, not ranking a YouTube video on Google. So if you combine this strategy, which is ranking on YouTube and ranking on Google with that syndication software, ViralTek, then you're going to have both sides of the traffic coming to you from Google and from YouTube. So bonus number 2 is it's advanced YouTube hacks. This is a step-by-step video training where I'm going to show you my advanced system of getting people to view my videos. So this is a system, this is a web-based software that I use. It's free, and I'm going to teach you how to use it inside bonus number 2. Bonus number 3, I'm going to teach you how to get extra traffic from Quora. I'm going to teach you how to rank your answers to Quora questions at the top of Quora and outrank your competitors, getting tons of traffic to your websites from different Quora questions and answers. Bonus number 4, I'm going to teach you how to get traffic with Facebook. This is going to specifically teach you how to get a buyer's list on Facebook and get tons of affiliate clicks to your web pages, to your videos, to your products, and all that. I do this on a monthly basis, and it brings me in $200 every single time I run a campaign with this Facebook money secret hack. Bonus number 5 is Instagram hacks. I'm going to teach you how to build up a great Instagram profile. It's going to be step by step. It's going to show you how to get followers without doing the follow, unfollow, black hat stuff. So this is going to be all organic followers in this bonus number 5. So there's a 30-day money back guarantee for ViralTek. So if you don't like it for any reason, you can definitely get your money back. If you're interested at all in any of these bonuses, go ahead once again and click on the link down below this video. It'll take you to my bonus page, and then you can go to the sales page from any of those green links. Now, let's just finish up by talking a little bit more about ViralTek and the funnel that's involved with it. So what is the price for ViralTek? So it starts off at $22.95, and then on a dime sale, it's going to go up to $26.95. So if you're interested in it, go ahead and get there early because it's going to go up over time. So if you're interested, buy it sooner than later. OTO number 1 is ViralTek Unlimited Accounts. So this gives you unlimited accounts, unlimited ability to use this software and to syndicate it to whatever video or website you would like to syndicate it to. OTO number 2 is ViralTek Ultimate. This is advanced material, and so it's done for you material and advanced features so that you can really use the software to its full advantage, giving you the most traffic to your links, to your websites, to your videos. And that's going to be at $47 per month. OTO number 3 is full agency rights. So that means that you can use this to basically rank other people's websites and other people's videos and take commission from them. So you could do this on Fiverr. If somebody wants you to rank a video or a website on Fiverr, you could use this software to make money with Fiverr, ranking other people's videos and websites. Lastly, that one there is $97. Lastly, OTO number 4 is the Internet Marketing Traffic Academy. So they're going to actually teach you how to get traffic on tap with this. This is going to be like tutorials, video training on how to get a bunch of traffic to your affiliate links in IM Traffic Academy, and that's going to be $67. So those are the upsells and the funnel for ViralTek. Once again, ViralTek is a software that syndicates your YouTube videos and your websites with a bunch of different social platform links to boost the authority of the website or the video and rank it inside of Google. So this is not going to help you rank in YouTube, but it will help you rank in Google. So if you want to rank a video or website or web page or anything, use this ViralTek software, syndicate it with a bunch of different accounts, and that's going to rank your videos and your websites. I'm David the Infoman. Thank you for checking out my ViralTek review. I will see you next time.